Hey everybody, it's Millie with Crafting in My PJs. How are you today? I am having a wonderful day. I'm mainly having a wonderful day because all my friends have gone back to work and I am not. That's not true. I'm retired, but I still work some. So anyway, good luck to all those friends of mine that are out there working hard to help the youth of today. All right, so a couple of videos back, I talked to you about Stampin' Up and how I had ordered, I'm looking for the card of the person who, here she is. Here's the Stampin' Up rep that I order from, Lori Ruello. And I had ordered a kit. And I actually don't have those cards here because I left them with somebody. But it was a kit. You received 9 cards, 3 different designs. So 3 cards of each design. They gave you supposedly all of the supplies you needed to make these cards. So I got them in, and when I looked at it, I thought, well, this would be, I'd done an open boxing video, and I even said on the video, this would be a wonderful activity for a few friends to do together. So I did. I got 2 of my friends. I convinced them to purchase 2 more kits, different kits, and to keep everything the same. We all have kits that were 3 designs, 3 cards each. So you had 9 cards. Some of the kits come 4 designs, 2 cards each. So you have 8 cards. But we stuck with the 3 and the 9 so that we could all have the same amount. And then we got together last Wednesday night at La Madeleine's out here in our suburb, and we took a back corner table and we got a light lunch, a light dinner, and we sat down and we did round robin and we made all of our cards. So I had made 3 of my cards, 1 of each design. So I had that to show because I did it on a video. And so did one of the other girls. And then the third girl hadn't even opened her box. So let me tell you how it went. Number 1, we had a great time talking. I would have videoed it, but one of the girls does not want to be on video. So I respected her wishes. We had a great time talking and just, socializing. So that was great. Beth and I had already made our set of our cards. So we only had 6 cards to make, and the other girl had 9 cards to make. And so we could use the samples, the cards we made as samples, so that you didn't have to read the directions, which there was no reading. The directions are just in picture form. Everything you need is there. They're beautiful cards, but very cookie cutter. I mean, there's not a whole lot. I mean, these look very fancy. So out of it all, I had a nice evening with friends, and I have 9 cards. Now, my 3 sample cards aren't in this batch right here because I had to leave before them, and so I left my cards so that Suzanne could finish hers. So I'm going to show you these, and then probably before this video is published, I'll have my 3 cards, and honestly, you've already seen those cards if you saw my open box video. So with the cards, you also get the envelopes, and they, for the most part, are decorated. I think at Beth's, no, they're decorated too. Yeah, everything's decorated. All the envelopes. Beth's envelopes were white with just the colored paper, where the other envelopes were all color envelopes with color paper. So what you do if you're interested in something like this, you go onto the Stampin' Up website, and if you know a Stampin' Up rep, then you can put that person's name in and they get credit. And when it pulls up, this is what you see. And then you just click on the little hamburger tab on the upper left hand corner, and you click on that, and then you look for kits. And they have several different kinds of kits. I'd like to try some of their other kits. So I'm going to show you the kits that we did. So the first one was, I didn't write the names down, and so I'm trying to do this by memory. Birthday Bash. And that was the kit that I purchased. So it came, those are the cards, and then it came with all these pieces. And then it came with the stamp set. And then Suzanne ordered I think it's Kaleidoscope, and this is what they look like. This is what was included in the kit. And this was the stamp set. Then I can't remember the name of Beth's, but you'll see it on the screen right now. This is what they look like. This is what comes in the kit. And this was the stamp set. Now, the stamps, in every kit, you get a mini stamp set, you get a mini stamp pad, you get all of the adhesive and the dimensionals that you would need. If there are any kind of gems, or like here, raindrops, everything's included. I literally showed up at La Madeleine with my box that I originally got in the mail, and that was it. They're very easy to put together. So just a quick look. Like I said, I already showed you the Birthday Bash ones. So there's stamping here, the twine was included, the raindrops, and there's no sentiment on the inside, so you can write what you want or stamp something else. So that was one. This was the other one. So see these dimensionals, that comes with it. Little raindrops, they were so cute. And then you stamped down here this darker gray. And on this one, you stamped the raindrops, and then you had the little raindrops there, and some twine, and adorable. All right, and for the kaleidoscope, everything, you just punch everything out. There's no major skills needed or tools. It gave you the foam strips that you put under the stamps. I mean, that was it. This one was super easy because you really are just, even this, you just punched out. Now, I could see where you could take these cards, and here's the last one. I could see where you could take these cards, and you could, if you are a card maker, you could definitely ramp them up a little bit. You could do some inking. You could do some different stamping. But I was perfectly happy to just put them together the way they are. And we did decide, after having so much fun with this, that maybe once a month we would get together and we would each make a certain number, we didn't say yet, of kits, of card kits, and put them in a zippy bag, go to a restaurant like La Madeleine that you can sit and do things at, and swap out our bags, and then we would leave with, you know, 9 different cards. So we did talk about doing that, and I imagine we will. Life often gets in the way, but what a great social thing to do if you have friends that like to craft. All right, that's it. I just wanted to show you my finished cards from the card swap. I'll come back a little so you can see them all. And before I post this video, I'll post another clip of the 3 cards that I made, because I'll be getting them back probably on Monday. All right, guys, that's it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.